Hey there everyone, welcome to our first video, our first tutorial on mastering Jamaican Patois, also known as Jamaican Creole. Now, whether you're planning a trip to Jamaica or you just love the culture, aim is to have you speaking like a local in no time, right? So here what we're going to do. The lessons are going to take the format of, I'm going to give you the word, followed by the meaning and the usage. Right, so are you ready? Let's get into it. Alright everyone, so welcome back, and today we'll be looking at one of the most popular phrases here in Jamaica, and that is called Gwaan. Alright, so Gwaan. Now we're gonna break down Gwaan, and the wa part comes from the English word what, and the Gwaan is coming from going on. So what they're essentially asking is, what is going on? That's the basic idea behind it. So Wagwan, what is going on? Very simple and to the point, right? So key thing to remember is you don't use Wagwan for formal settings. They use it in informal settings. So informal Wagwan, formal for what is going on, which is the English. So this is the English version, this is the Jamaican Patois version. Yeah, so remember, we only use Wagwan whenever we're dealing with friends, family, and people who tend to be familiar with. You can also use it whenever you are probably like on the street buying something from a vendor or something. Yeah, that can also help. So remember, Wagwan, we use it for family, friends, and familiar people. Alright, so the family, friends, familiar people, that's why you use Wagwan. Say your neighbor, you know, your cousin, your auntie, Wagwan auntie, Wagwan uncle, you know, and that's how it is. This one down here, what is going on? Of course, more managers, supervisors, or if you're doing, you know, like you're speaking to a receptionist or something, you know, just giving us some quick examples, not hard and fast. So let's do a quick scenario of the Wagwan. So remember, Wagwan is being used with your friend. So here we go. So someone says, Wagwan Lisa, and then Lisa will reply, Medea, Wagwan with you. And that will be the quick scenario. So let's clear this, and then let me type it out so you can see. So you can someone say Wagwan Lisa. Someone is saying, Wagwan Lisa. So what's going on, Lisa? And Lisa replies, Medea, Gwaan with you. I'll break this down in another video. Don't worry about it. But the main focus is just gonna be up here, Wagwan. So what is going on, Lisa? So you see, what is going on, Lisa? That's what they're asking Lisa. And Lisa says, I am here. What's going on with you? So we get that? So remember, what we're focusing on today is Wagwan. Nothing else, nothing more. So remember that the greetings and our language and everything here in Jamaica, is a means to connect. When you use Wagwan, it kind of shows like if you're friendly. But like again, what I said, be careful of where you use it. It's not in every setting it's required. Okay, so it's a great way to start your conversation. You don't see someone a long while, you say Wagwan, and you say with such excitement and so much gesticulation, and you know how Jamaicans are, right? But not too loud. to the point where you get awkward with it. You can just simply say Gwaan, and that's it. So remember, the phrase is, I keep saying word, the phrase is Gwaan. Not, please don't do this. Gwaan. Nah, that's not it, guys. That's not it. It's Gwaan, not Gwaan. Don't stress it out, don't draw it out, just be short, succinct, and to the point. You see? Gwaan. Done. So that's how you spell it. I'll leave it on the screen so you can see it. And yeah, so go ahead and practice with your friends, practice with your family, and next time you come take a trip to Jamaica with a vacation or event or anything at all, just surprise them with Gwaan and see how they react. All right, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, please leave a comment down below if you enjoyed it and which other phrase or word you'd like to see me go into next, and please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and until next time everyone, take care and walk good.